Welcome back to Trading Club X7U, where we're dedicated to helping you become a skilled and confident trader. Today, we're going to take the next step in advancing your trading skills by creating a weekly market preparation routine. You know, it's easy to get caught up in the daily trading hustle and bustle, but without a clear plan and focus, you might be spinning your wheels and struggling to find direction. Think about your favorite sports team or athlete. Do they just show up to the field or track without preparation and training? Of course not. They put in the time, sweat, and effort to hone their skills and develop a winning strategy. As a trader, you should be no different. A weekly market preparation routine is your ticket to staying ahead of the markets, identifying key trends and patterns, and making more informed trading decisions. So, what exactly does this routine look like? Well, it can vary depending on your personal preferences and trading style, but here's a basic outline to get you started. Let's say you're a beginner trader, and you're just starting to get comfortable with the markets. Your routine might include reviewing market news and analysis. Take a few minutes to catch up on the latest economic data, central bank announcements, and geopolitics that could impact your trading decisions. Updating your watch list. Review your list of stocks, forex pairs, or other assets you're interested in trading, and make sure it's current and relevant. Checking in with your trading journal. Reflect on your past trades, identifying what worked and what didn't. This will help you refine your strategy and make better decisions in the future. Identifying key support and resistance levels. Take a closer look at the technical analysis charts to determine areas where prices tend to bounce back or break through. Creating a simple plan for the week. Set clear goals and priorities for the upcoming week. What markets or assets will you focus on? How will you manage your risk? Let's put this into practice with a simple example. Suppose you're interested in trading the USD currency pair, and you've noticed that it's been trending lower over the past week. Your weekly routine might include reviewing the latest economic data from the European Union and the United States to see if there are any surprises or trends that could impact the pair. Updating your watch list to reflect the current market conditions, and making sure you're aware of any key technical levels. By doing these simple tasks each week, you'll be able to stay on top of the markets, identify key trends and patterns, and make more informed trading decisions. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but this sounds like a lot of work. And that's a valid concern. However, the key is to find a routine that works for you and your schedule. Even 1,015 minutes a week can make a big difference. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes beginners make when it comes to their market preparation routine. These mistakes can be costly, so be sure to avoid them. Some common mistakes include not taking the time to reflect on your trading performance. This means you're not identifying what's working and what's not, and you're not making adjustments to your strategy accordingly. Not staying current with market news and analysis. This means you're not aware of the latest economic trends, central bank announcements, and geopolitical events that could impact your trading decisions. Not managing risk effectively. This means you're not setting clear risk parameters for your trades, and you're not adjusting your strategy to accommodate changing market conditions. To avoid these mistakes, make sure you're taking the time to reflect on your trading performance and adjust your strategy as needed. Now, for your homework exercise, I want you to take a close look at your trading journal and identify areas where you can improve. Ask yourself. Once you've done that, take 1,015 minutes to create a simple plan for the upcoming week. Write down your goals, priorities, and risk management strategy, and keep it somewhere visible so you can refer to it throughout the week. Recap: in this lesson, we discussed the importance of creating a weekly market preparation routine, which includes reviewing market news and analysis, updating your watch list, checking in with your trading journal, identifying key support and resistance levels, and creating a plan for the week. By doing these simple tasks, you'll be able to stay